Book 1, Calculators Not Allowed, Rulers and Protractors Not Allowed, Reference Sheet Allowed, Time 100 minutes. This book contains selected response, multiple select, and extended response questions. You have 100 minutes to complete this book. Calculators are not allowed on this assessment. You may use your reference sheet as needed, but you may not use any other supplemental materials. Selected response section. Use the answer sheet provided to answer the following 19 selected response questions. Hannah rounded her height to the nearest tenth of a meter and got 2 meters. Which of these measurements in meters could be Hannah's height? A. 1.097, B. 1.951, C. 2.052, D. 2.133. What is another way to express 2 plus parentheses 1,247 times 15, close parentheses? A. 2 more than 1,247 plus 15. B. 2 more than 1,247 times 15. C. 2 times as large as 1,247 plus 15. D. 2 times as large as 1,247 times 15. Which number has the same value as 40 plus 9 plus 8 100ths plus 5 thousandths? A. 49.085, B. 49.85, C. 409.085, D. 409.85. Which statement below correctly describes the relationship between the sixes in the number 604,693? A. The sixes have the same value. B. The 6 in the 100,000ths place has a value 100,000 times greater than the 6 in the hundredths place. C. The C in the 100,000ths place has a value 100 times greater than the 6 in the hundredths place. D. The 6 in the 100,000ths place has a value 1,000 times greater than the 6 in the hundredths place. 5. What is the value of the expression 24 divided by the difference of 8 and 2? A. 1, B. 4, C. 6, D. 14. What is the value of 550 times 10 to the third power? A. 16,500, B. 55,000, C. 550,000, D. 5,500,000. Number 7. Which statement is equivalent to the expression below? 150 divided by 10 minus 2. A. Divide 150 by 10 and then subtract 2. B. Subtract 10 from 2 and then divide the difference by 150. C. Subtract 2 from 10 and then divide 150 by the difference. D. Subtract 2 from 10 and then divide the difference by 150. Number 8. What is 104 times 35? A. 832, B. 3,520, C. 3,640, D. 36,400. Number 9. A student was asked to switch 2 of the digits of the number 4.328 to make the inequality shown below true. 4.328 is greater than 4.337. Which pair of digits in 4.328 could be switched to make the inequality true? A. 2 and 8, B. 2 and 4, C. 3 and 2, or D, 3 and 4? What is 100,000 written as a power of 10? A, 10 to the 4th power, B, 10 to the 5th power, C, 10 to the 6th power, D, 10 to the 8th power. Number 11. What is the value of the expression below? 2 times 3 plus 4 times 5, A, 26, B, 46, C, 50, D, 70. Julian used a stopwatch to measure how many seconds it took him to solve each math problem on his homework. He completed 18 problems, and each problem, on average, took 187 seconds. How many seconds did it take Julian to complete his math homework? A, 10 remainder of 7, B, 1,683, B, 3,366, or D, 2,716. Number 13. Which number can go in the blank to make this inequality true? A, 3/10, B, 3/100, C, 3,000, or D, 3/1. Number 14. Which expression is equivalent to the phrase, subtract 2 from 8 and then multiply by 3? A, 8 minus 2 times 3, B, 8 minus 2 times 3, C, 2 minus 8 times 3, or D, 8 times 3 minus 2. Number 15. Which number has a 3 that is 10 times the value of the 3 in 483,751? A, 103,472, B, 568,320, C, 675,439, or D, 931,804. Number 16. Evaluate the expression below. 3 plus 24 divided by 3 times 2 times 2. A, 14, B, 35, C, 36, D, 38. Number 17. When multiplied by 588, which number will result in a product with a 4 in the tens place? A, 12, B, 21, C, 41, D, 44. Multiple select section. Use the answer sheet provided to answer the following 3 multiple select questions. Each question will have more than one correct answer. You must select all correct answers for credit. Number 18. Which two numbers are equivalent to 72.308? Select two numbers that apply. A, 70 plus 2 plus 3/10 plus 8/100. B, 70 plus 2 plus 3/100 plus 8,000. C, 70 plus 2 plus 3/10 plus 8,000. D, 72 and 38,000. E, 72 and 308/100. F, 72 and 308,000. Number 19. Select two numbers that round to 140 when rounded to the nearest tenth. A, 138.97, B, 139.641, C, 139.95, D, 140.039, E, 140.401. Number 20. Select the 3 expressions that are equivalent to 58.4. A, 0.584 times 10 to the 2nd power, B. 5.84 divided by 10. C. 5.84 times 100. D. 58.4 times 10 to the first. E. 584 divided by 10. F. 5,840 divided by 10 to the second power. Extended response section. Answer the following 2 extended response questions in the space provided in this booklet. For full credit, you must show all your work and provide a clear explanation where asked. Number 21. Mrs. Walston is buying supplies for her science classroom. A. Microscopes cost $194 each. How much will it cost Mrs. Walston to buy 18 microscopes? Show your work. B. Mrs. Walston needs 5 sets of glass beakers. A set of glass beakers costs $16 each. She also needs 36 science goggles. Science goggles cost $7 each. How much will she end up spending in total on microscopes, glass beakers, and science goggles? Show your work. Number 22. Melanie is comparing the number 5.49 to numbers in different forms. State whether each number below is less than, greater than, or equal to 5.49 and explain your reasoning for each comparison. A. 5 ones plus 4 hundredths plus 9 thousandths. B. 549 tenths. C. 500 times 1 100th plus 40 times 1 100th plus 9 times 1 100th. D. 500 thousandths plus 40 thousandths plus 9 thousandths.